I'd say interactive, as we receive many advices from different people in different occasions. So the mentoring sessions are organized generally on Thursdays. They are called Mentoring Thursdays. We have the opportunity to meet the alumni and speak with them. We are generally divided into groups according to our interests. We can get advices directly from the people that are working in a specific sector in which we are interested, even knowing of opportunities that maybe we were not aware, and also to understand that we have different ways in which we can develop our careers, as it's not the institutions where everyone wants to go, but we have different type of opportunities and experiences that we can do. But also in general, they are available if we want to organize some events. We can directly contact them, and they are always very open. And well, with the professionalization seminar, they help you to structure your CV, to understand where to send your motivational letters, how to write them, and so on. And with the mentoring sessions, you generally have more precise and personal advices.